Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm gonna be reviewing Norse Organics. So this is a website that for skincare, like this, and it claims that it can make your skin smoother. One user said she hated her skin, which made her hate herself. She won't lie, blemishes completely destroyed her. Blah blah blah, and Norse Organics saved her. The fake reviews. So all of these are the company can make them themselves. I mean, all of these can be fake reviews, but to truly test that, I found a Reddit post on Reddit, which this guy says that at age 35, finding the best solution, blah 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 blah. And some people or most of the people didn't agree with him since this post is mainly SEO garbage, obviously by the fact that it's listing every single product of the brand. This is not a real review, and their marketing feels icky. And I actually found this quite suspicious or like quite odd or weird or something because when I first loaded into their page, there was a 46% discount if you entered in your email. And if you said no, there wasn't actually a option to say no, but the option was the option they put in was I want to pay full price. So if you didn't want to enter in your email, you should pay full price. But if you want to enter in your email, you get 46% off. Like, so what? You instead trade of your information, you get a discount. Like, really? Like, it's quite shady to be honest. Like this person said, their marketing feels icky, aggressive, bold claims. If it's too good to be true, then it's usually is sadly. Yes, I'm a cynic. Blah blah blah. I tried it. Also made my acne worse. You're targeting a specific demographic, which really bugs me. Not really reviews for skin. Blah blah blah. I was skeptical. Damn. This company is really a scam. So please take note before buying from them. This doesn't even look like real products, to be honest. They look like I thought at first they were like hair products or something. I didn't know they were face products. So yeah, that is my review on Norse Organic. So don't buy them. So all the reviews are fake right here on Trustpilot. So yeah, that is it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.